So we have done, up till now, we did with the rational equations, how you can store values in the calculator and see which have the same value. Well, you could do the same thing with radical expressions too. In this radical expression, you've got two variables, x and y. What were the values you started using to store? How about pi and e, right? If you want to get some unique numbers that are not likely to cause any other issues, how about if you stored pi for x and e for y? And then you can use the calculator and see what that equals. Yeah.
How do you get to use the other buttons on the X button? There's like X, T, O, and N. How do you get to use those?
You go to the calculator and go for mode. And function is x. That's sequence is n. That one is, I can't read it, theta? Is that a theta? And that's t. And parametric is t. So by changing this line there, you get the other ones. Okay. So you could do that. Store values for x and y, see what the decimal value is, and then do the same thing on all of these and see which ones have exactly the same decimal value. You may be challenged a little bit with, how do you enter in something like 6 to the 1/5? 6 to the 1, yeah. How do you enter in, you could just use that, or you could turn them into decimals like 0.2, 0.6, 0.4, 1.2. But you can simplify these too. I'm not going to go through it because it'll take too long. But if you do, if you want to try it, you would see that I think the answer is this one right here. I did it the other day, just to make sure that it works. But don't forget that as a strategy for solving, especially like multiple choice for rational expressions, radical expressions. Okay.